Welcome guys, and today I'm going to show you how you can do a quick transfer from Wise to Wells Fargo. So it is pretty simple and straightforward process, so let's get started. So right here, go to the Wise app and click on the payments. As you can see in the picture, the red arrow. Here you'll see this page, click on the send button. Here you'll need to select a currency, so select USD because it is United States. And here you'll need to click on bank details. After that, click who's your recipient. So if you're sending money for yourself, click on myself, and if it is someone else, click on someone else. Here enter account details, so like IBAN, sort code, or Swift code. Here enter full name. After that, click on green button continue, enter the amount that you need to send, review taxes and confirm the information, and you will be able to send the money. So thank you guys, and see you in the next one.